Hey there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get auto changing wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First you just need to go to settings. Now scroll down and from here you'll find wallpaper and style. Tap on it and from here you can just simply tap on change wallpapers. From here you just need to scroll all the way down until you find wallpaper service. You can find the different type of wallpapers. You can also add some wallpapers from your gallery if you have, so then you can just create a wallpaper from the AI. You can generate a AI wallpaper that you can use, and you can find some graphical wallpaper, some colorful wallpaper. But this wallpaper service will help you to add automatic changing wallpapers on your device. For example, if you set this dynamic lock screen, then here is a preview, like it will change automatically. You can apply it, but before apply I'm going to show you something. You just need to tap on this gear icon, so you can set the category of that wallpaper that you want to appear on your lock screen, and it will actually appear on your lock screen when you do any activity on your lock screen, and it will change automatically according to their updates. For example, I'm going to select this dog, cats and animals. I have just downloaded these three categories on this device. You can download these plants, life, landscape, anything. For example, if you want to add any category, so you can just tap on it and it will start downloading. After download this category, then you will get this type of wallpaper on your lock screen. Now you can just download using your mobile data. If you are on your mobile data, then you can tap on it, and if you enable this auto update, then it will update automatically all this category images that are just listed on the store, and you will get the updated wallpaper on your lock screen. After adding this dynamic lock screen, you can just simply get the automatic wallpaper just like here. As you can see, I have just locked my device. Now I'm going to lock screen, and if I interact with the lock screen, then it will give me a new wallpaper just like this. You just need to interact with it and it will change by itself. So there's another one like Samsung Global Goals. You can go to settings, and from here you can just simply tap set up this settings. From here just continue, tap on continue, and from here you can just turn on it, and you can tap on get more wallpaper, and you will get different types of wallpaper like athletic wallpaper. You can find that it is out of stocks right now. Actually this is pretty much paid wallpapers, so you can go with collection from here. Then you can find some free wallpapers from here. You just need to explore it, but I suggest to go with this dynamic lock screen to have automatic changing wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's lock screen. So you can just simply lock your phone and you will get a new wallpaper. Again, lock your phone. If you turn it on, you will get another new wallpaper. That's how you can simply get the automatic changes or auto changes wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.